How to add a countdown sticker to your Instagram story. This tutorial shows you how to add a countdown sticker to your story to build excitement for an upcoming event on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen and select Story. From there, take a photo or video or swipe up to choose one from your gallery. At this point, once your content is loaded in the Story Editor, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. In the next step, a sticker tray will appear. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in countdown to quickly find it. Following this, tap on the countdown sticker from the results to add it to your story. Once done, a setup panel will appear where you can type in a name for your countdown. This could be an event, a launch, or anything you're counting down to. From here, tap on the date and time field to set exactly when the countdown ends. At this stage, tap on the color circle to change the color of the countdown sticker to match your story aesthetic. After this, tap Done to confirm your countdown settings and the sticker will appear on your story. Once completed, tap and drag the sticker to reposition it anywhere on the screen and pinch in or out to resize it. Finally, tap on Your Story to post it, and your followers will be able to tap on the countdown sticker to turn on reminders for when it goes off. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you add a countdown timer to your story, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.